Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a widespread health problem, hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where your thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones and as a result, your body begins to gain weight. Now you may be wondering, does hypothyroidism cause weight gain? The answer is yes and no. Hypothyroidism can lead to weight gain, but it can also lead to weight loss or weight change. This is because your body's metabolism can vary greatly and can slow down or become independent of the hormones your thyroid gland produces. Here is another important factor to consider: not everyone with hypothyroidism will gain weight. Some people can lose weight or keep it off if their metabolism can function effectively without enough thyroid hormone. To summarize, hypothyroidism can cause weight gain, but it can also vary, depending on individual metabolism and specific circumstances. If you are concerned about your weight and thyroid health, you must consult with your healthcare provider. They will be able to help you determine the best course of action and whether your hypothyroidism is causing you to gain weight. Remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle and regular exercise is essential to weight management, and your healthcare provider can help you achieve this.